everyone, welcome back to the channel. So with this video, we are going to discuss about the MBA colleges whose applications are going on and you should not miss the last date of those application forms. Coming to the very first college is Ford School of Management. So this college accepts the score of the CAT, XAT and GMAT entrance examination for their admission process. It is one of the top business school you can consider with if your CAT score ranges in between 80 to 85 percentile. If we consider the eligibility criteria for this B school, then you must have completed your graduation and you must have secured 50% marks in your graduation. And if we consider the selection procedure, then you will receive the call for the personal interview on the basis of your CAT, XAT or GMAT score. Then in the stage 2, the extempore and personal interview will be conducted. Extempore means you will be given with the one topic and you need to think on that topic for 2 minutes and you need to speak on that particular topic for 1 minute. So this is called as an extempore. Means spot thinking is very much important in the stage 2. And if we consider the stage 3, then in that the final selection is done. So on the basis of the performance in your interview, on the basis of the performance in the extempore and on the basis of your academic performance, your work experience, your overall score is calculated and then the final selection of the candidates is done. So the last date of application for Ford School of Management is 31st of January. So if your CAT score ranges in between 80 to 85 percentile, this is one of the option you can consider with and you need to apply before 31st of January 2024. If we consider the Ford School of Management, then it offers you the 4 programs. Like the first is the post-graduation diploma, then second is the post-graduation diploma in IB, International Business, then post-graduation diploma in Financial Management and post-graduation diploma in Big Data Analytics. So for PGDM, there are overall 180 seats. For PGDM in IB, there are overall 120 seats. For PGDM in Financial Management, there are overall 120 seats. For PGDM in Big Data Analytics, there are overall 60 seats. And if we consider about the placements, then the highest salary package offered with this college it is nearly up to 30 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college it is nearly up to 14.5 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this college it is nearly up to 14 lakhs per annum. And if we talk it about the sector wise, then there are 34% placements are from the IT and ITS sector, 17% placements are from the consulting, then 27% placements are from the BFSI, 12% placements are from the FMCG and automobiles, and 10% placements are from the other. In marketing, the average salary package offered with this college it is nearly up to 30 lakhs per annum. For consulting and research, the average salary package offered with this college it is nearly up to 22.25 lakhs per annum. For finance sector, the average salary package offered is 22.85 lakhs per annum. For HR, human resource, the average salary package is 17 lakhs per annum. For operations, the average salary package offered is 17 lakhs per annum. And for IT and ITES, the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 18 lakhs per annum. Coming to the next college is KJ Somaiya, Mumbai. So this is the another good option you can consider with. So this college accepts the score of the CAT, XAT, GMAT, NMAT and CMAT entrance examination for their admission process. So if your CAT score ranges in between 80 to 85 percentile, this is the one option you can target with. If we consider the eligibility criteria, then you must have completed your graduation with minimum 50% marks. And if we consider the last date of application, then it is of 18th of January. So if you want to apply for KJ Somaiya, Mumbai, you need to apply before 18th of January. So KJ Somaiya, Mumbai offers you 3 programs, like first is Masters of Business Administrations, then MBA in Healthcare Management and MBA in Sports Management. So there are overall 600 seats for the MBA program, then there are overall 30 seats for the MBA in Healthcare Management and 40 seats for the MBA in Sports Management. So first, on the basis of your CAT, GMAT, NMAT or CMAT score, you will get a shortlist call for the GD and PI round. Then on the basis of the performance in the GD and PI round, the final merit list of the candidates is done. And if we consider the overall selection parameters in the final selection of the candidates, then the 25% weightage is given to the qualifying exam, then 25% weightage is given to the personal interview, 15% weightage is given to the group discussion, 15% weightage is given to the academic profile, 10% weightage is given to the VAT and 10% weightage is given to the work experience. The highest placement salary offered with this college, it is nearly up to 25.95 lakhs per annum. Top 100 candidates have the average salary package of 16.59 lakhs per annum. Top 200 candidates have the average salary package of 14.86 lakhs per annum. And top 300 candidates have the average salary of 14 lakhs per annum. Next college is Masters Union. So if your CAT score ranges in between 80 to 85 percentile, this is the another good option you can consider with. If we consider the last date of application for this college, then it is 21st of January. So if you want to apply for Masters Union, you need to apply before 21st of January 2024. If we talk about the placements for the Masters Union, then the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 64.15 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 34.07 lakhs per annum. And there are more than 137 plus companies who are visiting the campus for the recruitment. The top recruiters for Masters Union are KPMG, BCG, Google and Microsoft. Next college is Goa Institute of Management. So this is the another good option you can consider with. So it is the profile based college. If your CAT score ranges in between 85 to 90 percentile, this is one of the option you can have a look on. If your CAT score is not good, but if you have a good profile, then also you can consider with this college. Means for example, if your CAT score ranges in between 75 to 80 percentile with a good profile, then also you can consider this college, because इनका एक separately achievers round होता है. So in that they consider the profile. So if you have good profile, this is the best option you can have a look on. And if we consider the last date of application for this college, then it is 15 January 2024. So if you want to apply for GIM Goa, you need to apply before 15 January 2024. The fees for the 2 years of MBA program with Goa Institute of Management, it is nearly up to 18 lakhs. The average placement salary offered with this college, it is nearly up to 14 lakhs per annum, and the highest placement salary offered with this college, it is nearly up to 60.4 lakhs per annum. Next college is SDA Bocconi School of Management, Mumbai. So this is also one of the good option you can have a look on, and the last date of application for this college is 22nd of January 2024. So for Goa Institute of Management, the last date of application is 15 January. For KJ Somaiya Mumbai, the last date of application is 18 January. For Masters Union, the last date of application is 21st of January. For SDA Bocconi, the last date of application is 22nd of January. And for Ford School of Management, the last date of application is 31st of January. So this is all about the deadlines for the top 5 B schools. If you are interested, you need to apply before the particular deadline. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.